Let's have a quick look at our old faithful friend, the vLOOKUP function. We want to look for this order number here, and we only want to make the column an absolute reference, and the entire table array is an absolute cell reference. And we want to bring back the department name, which is column number 2. If we intend to autofill our answer, we don't want to enter the actual number 2 in here. Instead, we can use the column function. In here, we're typing false to return an exact match only. Autofill to the right and autofill down. Suppose we want to know what item the HR department ordered. The vLOOKUP value has to be located in the first column of the table array. We could move our data around and make the department column the first column, or in the table array, we could drag our mouse and start from the department column. And if we use the column function again, we'd have to say -1. We can autofill and get the right answer, but the real disappointment is vLOOKUP cannot return values if they're to the left. When we try to find the order number for the HR department, we encounter one of the main issues we have with vLOOKUP. Because HR is not in the first column, vLOOKUP cannot find it. In Excel version 365, we get the xLOOKUP function. Because we get to specify 2 different arrays, it makes it more dynamic and versatile. We'll fix the column. A lookup array is different to a table array, and usually this is going to be a single row or column. And the return array, we want the column to change when we autofill to the right. But when we autofill down, we want to fix the row numbers. Press F4 twice to cycle through the options. By specifying the correct lookup array and return array, we can easily get the order number for the HR department. And what we want here is one super duper formula that we can autofill to the left. The lookup value is fixed. The lookup array is fixed. The return array, we can leave that as a relative cell reference. Click OK. Autofill to the left. Boom shakala.